This claim says that line 1, which is from 8 to negative 8 to negative 1, 4, is shorter than line 2, which goes from 3, 9 to 0, 2. So I need to find the distance of these two lines to find out if this claim is true or not. So for line 1, I'm going to let 8 be x1 and negative 8 be y1. Then I'm going to let negative 1 be x2 and 4 be y2. And now that I know what these values are, I'm going to plug them in to the distance formula. The distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1, which would be negative 1 minus 8 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, which would be 4 minus negative 8, the whole thing squared. The first thing I'm going to do is simplify what's inside of my parentheses. So distance is equal to the square root of negative 1 minus 8 would become negative 9 squared plus 4 minus negative 8. Well, minus a negative is the same thing as adding, so 4 plus 8 would be 12 squared. Now I'm going to simplify these exponents. So distance is equal to the square root of 9 squared is 81, negative 9 squared is 81, plus 12 squared, which is 144. Now I'm adding inside the radical. Distance is equal to the square root of 225. And when I take the square root of 225, I get 15, question mark? Yes, the square root of 225 is 15, so the distance of line 1 is 15. Now I'm going to do the same method with line 2. I'm going to let x1 be 3 and y1 be 9, and I'll let x2 be 0 and y2 be equal to 2. When I plug this into the distance formula, I do y2 minus y1, I do x2 minus x1, which is 0 minus 3 squared, plus y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 9 squared. First, I'll simplify inside the parentheses. So distance is equal to 0 minus 3 is negative 3 squared, plus 2 minus 9 would become negative 7 squared. Now I am going to simplify the exponents. So distance is equal to the square root of negative 3 squared is positive 9 plus negative 7 squared, which is 49. And now I'm going to add inside my radical. So distance is equal to the square root of 58. And if I take the square root of 58 using a calculator, I get a distance of 7.615 and some other decimals, but I can cut it off there because I already know that this is a smaller distance than what I found for line 1. So my final answer is that the claim is false because line 1 is longer than line 2. And I've proven that with my math that I did here and my math that I did here.